everyone, welcome back to the Herbal Bunny. My name is Tamitha. I am a master herbalist and I'm currently studying to become a naturopath. Yay! All right, you guys, I am going to do a series that is going to talk about how we can properly clean our body and be successful. This first video is going to help prepare you for the next few lessons I'm going to be teaching you guys. So, since I like to ramble, I made a list, some notes, if you will. All right, so the first part, I'm going to dive right into this, you guys. The first part is a fast. You can do the fast however long you want to, but it's important that we kind of give our bodies a break before we do a cleanse. We don't want to jump into a cleanse when we have a bunch of gunk in our system. Well, that's the purpose of doing a cleanse, is to get the gunk out. Yes, you are correct, but you don't want a whole lot of drama to go with it. So trust me, you're going to want to do a fast before you do a cleanse. I typically suggest that we do a 3 to 10 day fast, and it's all going to be dependent upon what you are cleansing from. So if the sicker you are, the more days you want to do the fasting. The types of fasting, there's several different ones. You pick one that is suitable for you, that you can feel like you have the desire to do, because I'm not your doctor. I do want to make that disclaimer. I guess I should have done that before, but disclaimer now. I'm not a doctor yet, and even if I was, I'm not your doctor. You have control of your own health. You know your own situation, so go by that. Educate yourself, okay? So, the types of fasting, there's a water fast, there's a fruit juice fast, there's also a veggie fast, there's intermittent fasting, there's a Daniel fast. Whatever you pick is totally up to you. 3 to 10 days according to how sick you are. If you have a little bit of upset stomach or have a cold or flu, 3 days is fine, and you could actually do part of the cleansing with that, or just the fasting may just completely heal and you don't need to do a cleanse, even though I still recommend, if you do have the flu or this coronavirus that's going around, cleansing all that crap out of your system is probably going to be a good idea. But anyway, so, sorry, I'm going to keep looking down because I'm trying to stay focused because I have a tendency to squirrel. As if you guys haven't seen my other videos, go back, yes. Anyway, all right, so 3 to 10 day fasting, however you want to do it. The next thing we're going to do is clean out our refrigerator and our cabinet, because there's going to be some stuff on this cleanse that we are going to avoid. Yes, we are going to avoid every single processed thing. If it comes in a can, and it comes in a package, or it comes at the drive-thru, we're going to get rid of it, okay? We're going to get rid of dairy. We're going to get rid of meat, fish, eggs. I know. I love cheese. I like some fish every now and then, but we are going to get rid of it. I'm not saying you have to like dump it. You can donate, or you can put it away if you're tempted, but anything processed, we are going to get rid of it. All right. Then we are going to, I'm trying not to overwhelm you guys, but we're going to check all of our like products, like hair care, lotions, makeup, perfumes. We are going to get rid of that, most of it, yeah, unless it's like organic and doesn't have a lot of parabens or fragrances and stuff that's going to clog everything up, that's going to defeat the purpose of doing this cleanse. We need to just, it's not going to be forever. Trust me, you guys can go ahead and clog yourself up again after we get done with this, but hopefully you'll like how you feel and continue down a more healthier path. But I don't know, it's all up to you. I'm starting to ramble. Okay, stop rambling. All right, so it's important to get rid of unnatural things, including your cleaning products. Heavy detergents and things are going to clog us up, cause sicknesses and illnesses, and we want to get rid of those things before we do our cleanse. Get rid of it while you're doing your fasting. It'll give you a project to do, right? All right, okay, so we're going to make a schedule. And on this schedule, we're going to schedule in sleep. We need between 8 to 9 hours, especially for ladies. Men can go for 6 to 7 hours, but sleep is very, very important. Our bodies heal while we are sleeping. Our bodies detox while we are sleeping. It's going to be important to schedule in sleep. An hour before bedtime, turn off all your electronic devices. Get rid of that blue light special that you all are staring at 2 inches from your face. An hour before bedtime, read a book, do some meditation, do some positive affirmations, which is the next thing we're going to be talking about. But an hour before bedtime, it's important to calm yourself and your mind. All right, so back to the affirmations. We're going to make a list that we're going to be reading every single day whenever we can about what you want to accomplish. You want to get rid of cancer. You want to get rid of diabetes. And you're going to speak it into existence. Don't say, I want to get rid of cancer. I want to get rid of diabetes. No, you're going to say, I am getting rid of cancer. I'm getting rid of diabetes. I am healed. You are going to put those as if they've already happened. You're going to make that positive affirmation. Talk about your family. My family loves me. I have a perfect job. I make lots of money. You're going to, whatever you want on that list, but write it as if it's already happened. Very important. Then we're going to set 10, at least, no less than 10 minutes a day to yourself, where you're going to meditate. You're going to focus on you. You're going to shut off everything, this video, everything, TV, the news, and you are going to take 10 minutes at least to meditate on absolutely nothing. Stare at a wall. Look at the little specks on the wall. Look at, I don't know, just look at some grass. Whatever you have to do to think about nothing. That is your time to yourself. Go sit in the woods. Speaking of woods, we're going to do grounding. That means we're going to take off our socks and shoes. I know it's February. What's the last day of February? It may be still cold and snowy some places, but grounding is very important for healing the body and detoxifying our body. Our body's energy system is connected to the earth. When we touch the earth barefooted, we like, oh, magic starts happening in our body and we get realigned and our energy centers all become one and they start lining up and we are miraculously healed. Well, I mean, you gotta do other things too, but it's gonna be important if you can. I know there may be snow some places, but you folks in the South, except for maybe Texas, but you guys can get your feet, your bare feet, your naked feet, your birthday feet on the ground. Not concrete, not asphalt, but the actual dirt, the soil. Get your feet in there, touch that grass. And do that for at least 20 minutes every day. You can do your 10-minute of meditation where you think absolutely nothing. Okay, just get out there. All right, so the next things we are going to be doing, and I'm going to kind of go through them quickly because I really want to keep this video short, sweet and simple, and educational. So every single day, we're going to be doing dry skin brushing. We want to take, you can go on Amazon or some stores have it for dry skin, and you're going to brush towards your heart to get your lymphatic system going. And you're going to do that right before you get in the shower. We're going to shower every day. Yes, because that's going to help wash off the toxins, wash off everything. That's because our skin is our biggest organ, and when we're detoxing and we're fasting, everything is going to start coming out everywhere. So everywhere. But we really want to make sure we are clean and use soaps that don't have a lot of, the crappy stuff in it. Organic, do your research. All right, every day, shower, sauna, sunbathing, hot yoga. We want to sweat. We want to stay hydrated too, so you want to drink lots of water, pure water. I really like doing the distilled water, getting all that in. So take your body weight in ounces. So if you weigh 100 pounds, you're going to drink 100 ounces, okay? We'll make sure we flush out our system. Okay, so we're walking where you want to go out into nature. That'd be a great time to do your earthing. Get out into nature, do some walking, get your system moving, get your lymphatic system moving. Try to get in like 10,000 steps a day, okay? No excessive exercise. And we know, guys, you like to go in there and you like to just bench press, or the gym's even open, I don't know. But we don't want to do anything that's going to stress out our body. Actually, there's been science has been proving that vigorous exercise actually puts more stress on your body. But hey, I know some of you guys like to bulk up. You know, I'm not one of those people. I'm still flabby, got bingo wings. But it's important not to overdo it, because we're cleansing. Our bodies are going to react in weird ways, which I'll talk about later. But it's important. Don't overdo it. Okay, I'm rambling. All right. Time itself. Okay, positive affirmations. Oh my gosh, I got through my list of things. Yay! I'm so surprised when I did it in less than 15 minutes. All right, you guys, the next video I'm going to talk about the days after you're fasting, into what part we're going to cleanse first and why it's important to cleanse certain areas first before doing a full body cleanse. All right. Okay. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Oh, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, whatever people say that they... All right. Goodbye.